Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best crypto exchanges that you can buy crypto with. When I was starting out with the crypto in 2017, I burned out a lot of money on fees, mainly on Coinbase. So I decided I'm going to make this video for everyone who is starting out with the crypto, but this video is going to be a little bit different. In this video, first I'm going to show you those that you shouldn't use at all. This is just like for your information, for your knowledge. So when someone is going to ask you like which platform should they invest crypto with, like, okay, you can give them advice. Don't use this one because of this reason, use these ones. So first part of the video is going to be those that I don't recommend at all to use. And then I'm going to present you those that I recommend. Now, again, yes, you will find affiliate links down in the description that you can save fees, you can get $10, but I'm not paid by any of these brokers that I'm going to show you, like those exchanges. I don't know if I should name them brokers or exchanges. Let me down below in the comments. I got no idea. Let's start. The first one that I don't recommend at all is eToro. You see all those ads, you see it anywhere. Start investing into Dogecoin or like start buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. with eToro. There are a few things why I don't like eToro and I don't recommend it to anyone to use. The first one, you can't actually invest into altcoins. You got only few coins that you can invest to. They will be all right, but the second problem is the stability of the whole platform. It's not stable at all. Many times they have technical problems. It's really hard to invest into a crypto on eToro. They will be fine. But damn, those fees are so high. So when you come here, like eToro fees on crypto, when buying cryptocurrency on eToro, you gain ownership of the assets, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And now spreads. Spread is the difference between the buy and sell prices for certain assets. Spreads are a common way in which trading platforms charge fees. So eToro or like platforms like these are presenting that, okay, you can buy crypto for free. You are buying the crypto for free, but you aren't, because they have those spread fees that you are buying in much more expensive, and they just like take the cut. And you see it right here, Ethereum 2%, nearly 2%, 1.9%, Dash 2.9%. Okay, listen to this. 2.9% on eToro, on Dash. On a Binance, you have 0.10. On a Coinbase Pro, you have, let's guess, 0.50. Imagine that. So Binance got like 0.10, which is damn cheap. Then we have eToro here with 1.9. Do you know how expensive it is? There's nearly 2%, but that's not it. They got also the withdrawal fees that you have to pay with eToro. That's something you have to pay, another thing. So I don't recommend to anyone use eToro. And someone's going to ask you that I want to buy crypto through eToro, say them, don't do it. You're gonna lose money. So first one that I don't recommend. The second one that I don't recommend is Robinhood. Like, I will be straightforward, Robinhood is a trash. Let me explain. Robinhood won't allow you to actually withdraw crypto from their site. When you come here, how to withdraw crypto from Robinhood. Let's read this. Our Robinhood's crypto broker, you can't withdraw crypto funds from your Robinhood account. And now, instead, users must sell their coins and transfer the balance to the external account. What does it mean? That you're gonna have crypto, right? You need to sell those crypto on Robinhood, and then, listen to this, and then you need to pay taxes. And then you need to take those like funds, get them to different broker, again, pay fees, pay everything, and buy crypto that you want. So that's something why I don't recommend using Robinhood. That's the first thing. And then we're gonna have also the fees, and they are really hidden. They are not really transparent. This is something that I don't like about the exchanges. They don't really share the fee structures. It got also spread fees. Yes, they present that you can buy crypto for free. You can. They get also spread fees about 1%. So again, Robinhood's expensive, and also not only expensive, they have that you can actually withdraw money. You have to pay taxes first, and because of this, you're gonna lose money. So that's pretty much it. Then we have Revolut. I don't know if you know about it. Revolut is like mainly European, but I don't know if you're from the US or European. Revolut is not good only because they got the highest fees on the market. I mean, I think you can even withdraw from the Revolut the crypto, and look at this. This fees is 2.5% for standard users and 1.5% for premium and metal users. And also when you sell, you get a 3 to 5% cost. So you get also for buying and selling, you got like 2% fees, 2.2 to 3%. So you're gonna actually pay 6% fees on Revolut, and they're so damn expensive, and it's blowing my mind. How can anyone invest through these platforms? It's like really fascinating in my opinion. So definitely don't use these platforms, and they're gonna steal your money, right? So that's something that I wanted to share. Now, which I want to like present that are good ones. The first one is a Binance. This is like the good ones. The first one, Binance. I use Binance. I use it for like from 2017, it's like nearly 5 years right now. Yeah, that's 2021. Yeah, nearly 5 years. It will be soon. 0.10 fees. As I mentioned, look at eToro fees. Look at Robinhood 1%, Revolut 6%. Binance got one of the best fees ever, but there is disadvantage with Binance is that it's a little bit complicated to understand how you can buy things. You need to watch like videos on it to understand it. So yes, the UI, the UX design and everything is not that pretty comparing to like Coinbase. I completely agree. But again, if you want to invest good money, like a lot of money, I would go with the Binance. I wouldn't go with the Coinbase only because you're gonna lose money. And you can use like BNB to have lower fees, so that's something you can do too, and it's pretty good. Now, when we go further, so Binance, you're gonna get also, if you're gonna use the link down in the description, you're gonna get 5% even more or less fees. So use that. Then we're gonna have Coinbase. Coinbase is good. Plenty of people are using it. You can, but my recommendation is use Pro Coinbase. Don't use Coinbase.com only because, let me explain. When you would use Coinbase, you would get higher fees only because you are buying from the retail directly from the Coinbase, and Coinbase has to buy it somewhere else. So they ask you for more money. This is when you want to buy and sell. Let me show you. And 1,000 euro, 1,000 Bitcoin, preview buy. You see Coinbase fee 38 euro on Coinbase.com. On a Pro Coinbase, when you trade with other people, let's say that I'm going to buy again Bitcoin, and I'm going to buy again 1,000 euro. You see that my fee is 5 euro. Right here is 38 euro. So you see directly the difference that the Coinbase Pro is much cheaper. Then we're gonna have like Kraken here. Kraken is the next one, but before, a few things about Coinbase. Coinbase Pro doesn't have a good the support, but I didn't have problems. I always use Coinbase Pro and Binance as a combination. When I didn't know about Binance, I was using Coinbase Pro and I never had problems with it. I always withdraw money at time, everything, but don't use Coinbase Pro. Don't use Coinbase. You're gonna save money, a lot of money. Then the next one is Kraken. Kraken is also a little bit difficult to understand and like get like how to works, etc. But again, Kraken is an amazing platform that you can use, and I would recommend definitely use it too if you want to. They got also plenty of altcoins that you can buy, and like the fees are just higher on Maker and Taker, 0.16, 0.26. So as you can see, Binance also with a link down below description are going to be much lower fees, but that's something you can do. Now there are another two ones that I want to present to you as a bonus, and that's a KuCoin, and then we got also Crypto.com. Fees. Crypto.com, plenty of people are using it, and those fees are extremely low. So if you're gonna have like staking with the CRO, look at this, you're gonna make even less fees. With level 1, yes, it's really similar to the Binance, but again, when you're gonna use Binance with the 5% from me off, then you would have also with BNB, you would get better than Crypto.com. But plenty of people are using Crypto.com too. So that's something you can definitely do. Now, yep, so Crypto.com is a good platform too that I would recommend. Then we have KuCoin here. KuCoin is really favored by many people, and more people are using it. When I go here to KuCoin and look on the popularity, look at this, it's damn fees. And those fees are really similar to the Binance. So that's something you can definitely do too. And KuCoin, Crypto.com, and Binance are those that I definitely recommend for you to use, like primarily. I'm a Binance fan. I'm not paid by them. You're gonna have like all the links down in the description. And KuCoin got also like good coins too, I think, as a token. Oh, damn, you can make so much money on crypto. So this is pretty much it, and these are my like thoughts on cryptocurrencies and exchanges. To summarize it, use Binance, use Crypto.com, use KuCoin. Those that I recommend definitely. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.